So guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, like, share, and subscribe for more awesomeness.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. Or you want the Slim Shady, so just imitate. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up.
Hey y'all, I look a mess, excuse everything, but I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a rundown because I'm just bombarding with my videos. So like I am just editing and realizing that I just hopped straight into the video. Like I'm gonna say nothing to one, I'm just come on my phone, I'm start vlog and go on myself and rate it XYZ blah. So I just want to come on here. It's not like an original intro, but it's just still me coming on here to give you guys a rundown on what's happening now. Oh, do you guys like my nails? I got gray crook looking, and I got it on my toes too. Yeah, but anyways, I'm not caring that my combo. But yeah, what the fuck was I saying? Oh yeah, I am on here to give you guys a rundown because I just hopped into the video without saying anything to you guys. So when the video is gonna start, you're gonna see me doing my makeup in Chalicia's car. Now, why am I doing my makeup in Chalicia's car? On the day of the baby shower, y'all, we all had work. So you don't know, it's basically a rush to get to the shower. And if y'all know me, y'all know that I'm Miss Ever Late. Even though 2023, I'm coming in good. Like, I'm still late, but not as much as one time. So you know, see an improvement that period. But yeah, everyone was at work, like I said, on the day of the baby shower. So when baby shower start, we there at work, I do work and thing. Once we leave work, you know, we have to hurry it up so we can make it to the baby shower. Now, I don't drive, and I didn't have anyone to pick me up to like give me a direct ride home. So from work to Montego, Chalicia dropped us off. I took a taxi to go from Montego Bay to where I live. No, I don't know why, but this is crazy. Anytime I'm going anywhere or anytime I'm just in a rush to go home, my driver them always just feel like they need to carry me go all over the place, here, there, everywhere around town. When I say that, I mean like in the area where I live, you know, there are different community and different parts. So like if me I go home and me I say boy I will want to reach home or rate it, it's like everybody in the taxi live at each one of the community. Them I see when me I go home, I'm not in no rush or nothing, blam, straight to me the drive take me. But anyways, on that day, like the drivers are grown come around with me. But I make no excuse, I'm literally saying the truth. On that day, like the drivers did a grown come around town with me. When I reach home, I had to eat. Like yeah, when I reach home, I think I eat, then I bathe, then I put on my clothes, grab my stuff, and then head out. One thing with me is if I not go out for dinner, if I'm not going out to eat or anything of that sort, I am going to eat before I leave my house. That's just how I was brought up. Growing up, some people them program me. My people them beat that in me like anywhere. If once we reach home and we are go somewhere, my people them make we eat before we leave the house. If I even want cup soup, we eat before we leave the house. So hungry can't go up and feel name. Anyways, even though me always feel something nice, but yeah. Yes, so Rafaya, Jesus Christ, 4 minutes already, but as I kill the people that we're talking. But y'all, though the girls who get it, the girls who don't. So I just wanted to come on here to give you guys a little rundown on why I just bombarded you guys with my video, on why I just hopped directly into the video. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to say to you guys. Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get...
Sorry, we're just done eat. Thank you guys for tuning in. Continue watching my videos. Love you guys so much. Go.
You know this.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Alright, my tell us say. I respect Shanae, you know, I love Case, and you know. Cause I'm missy by skin and teeth. I need to know that I'm not coming. And you never respect him.
You know if you can use this lighter?
You know, see me they try your thing.
Okay, don't do it now, 5 minutes.
Should I carry one mirror, you know?
You're going on fine.
Oh, I know. I can use it.
Where they get though? Kedo. Samir. Hi, Toop.
Your problem.
Shake me hand.
What's that? A bit...
Hi, cutie pie. You alright?
I'm gonna go and no shy. Me soon come back for something in my car.
Alright.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
Alright, this is it.
Turn your face this up. No, the other way.
I'm not going to wear a parking because when I feel time, you're not going to have
Y'all, I didn't have any other shoes, so
Oh, wow.
this was just it. Oh yeah, me have my crooks. My crooks mirror come a be. And it's not high, you know. Look at it. That high?
I'm not the high, the
Alright.
baga, whatever.
I wonder if me go have to change off this because
Come sexy. Hello, you're not
Every minute me walk.
everybody in there umpis something.
every minute me walk.
Then everybody they come. Not really. Everybody out here, right? I see we come both.
You have a jacket, Chalisa? Are your jeans jacket? No. Why? When me they go with Adidas jacket and dress?
Blood cleat.
You want me to hold it this way? I'm sorry.
Hey guys. Featuring me on the chat. I'm me have a feature.
Already.
So guys, welcome back to my channel.
Remember to follow your channel.
Before we get started, like, share, and subscribe for more awesomeness. We can't better. We can't better.
As me walk, every minute me walk. Every minute me walk, it just a go up.
It don't matter, you look good. You look real good.
Thank you.
Like, come on. Like them.
Let go, darling. Let go, darling.
Wait, fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. I can't see, I'm blind. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? You the man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I let it fall. My heart, does it feel? It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true.
Okay, so guys, that is it from me. In today's video, I just got home. As y'all can see, Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like my video, and leave some positive comments. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.